Welcome back to TD Insights Live. Throughout the COVID-19 lockdown phase, I've been following very closely the global economic and retail trends in anticipation of the reopening phases, which are now underway in many parts of the world. Good signs from key markets such as the United States, which recently saw the biggest ever historical sales increase. From May 2020, USA retail sales were up nearly 18%, easily topping the record 6.7% from October 2001, which was a month after the 9/11 terrorist attacks. And this result handily beat the 8% economist estimates. The threats of multiple other waves of COVID-19 are still present, but key lessons have already emerged to guide countries during the reopening phases. Continuing to do well are most of the essential retailers, such as food and drug stores. Their near-term sales spike will slow as most of the industry reopens, but most will see double-digit growth. Best positioned are those essential retailers that have fully scaled services such as buy online, pick up in stores, or BOPIS prior to the pandemic lockdown. Non-essential retailers, especially apparel and department store, have a longer road to recovery, and some projections have them returning just to 2019 level in the distant year 2023. To survive, these sectors have already accelerated discounting, a recipe which trains consumers to expect more and further delays profitability. As Global Data pointed out in their June webinar, last year in May 2019, just over 21% of apparel items were discounted, and the average discount was nearly 18%. For May 2020, nearly 70% of the items were discounted, and the average discount rate is more than double at just over 44%. Contrary to popular beliefs, all retail is not moving online. For the US, for example, various forecasts have e-commerce reaching 20 to 21% of total retail sales in 2020. COVID-19 has become a brutal accelerator of digital transformation trends that were already underway. E-commerce has leaped forward 2 to 3 years ahead of previous growth projections. There will be a substantial number of physical stores in that boring middle that fail to keep up with consumer engagement and innovation that will close. The physical store is still very important, but this pandemic has reaffirmed that just being a brick and mortar destination is not a sustainable strategy. COVID-19 is actually a major opportunity for exploring and adding more convenient services that engage consumers across harmonized retail channels. That's it for now. Thank you for listening, and we'll really appreciate if you liked, shared, or commented on this video, or subscribe to this channel. See you next time.